It's been a month since we have had a bright, sunny day. I'm longing for some sunshine. So I picked up this beautiful sunlit vase with wildflowers to paint and share with you. Colors I used are listed here. Let's begin. Wet the paper thoroughly with clean water. Start by loosely marking all the flowers, curtains, vase, table and the window. This is the first wash with very watery colors. Let it completely dry. Next, make loose marks for the petals of each flower with violet color of milky consistency. Make sure you follow the direction the flower is facing. For the white flowers, I used negative painting technique. I painted around these flowers to carve out their shape. I used the same method to show the highlights on the edges of other flowers. For the second layer on the table, I used burnt sienna of milk consistency, leaving the area of sunlight. I really liked the slight granulating effect of indigo plus cobalt blue that I used for the vase. To show those grooves, I lifted the paint with a damp brush. While the vase is drying, let's work on the curtains, window, and the table. The table has texture, shadows, and light. Initially, I thought of showing a lot of details, but then I changed my mind. The grooves of the vase stand out by painting around them with creamy paint. I loved how the sunlight was reflecting on it from the table. Continuing with the details on the table. Colors have such a profound effect on our mood. I was very happy to see how rusty kettle painting turned out. But when I was editing its video, the rusty colors made me feel gloomy. I thought nobody would want to see it. So to cheer up, I started painting the colorful glass vase with riots of bright colors. I painted, edited, and posted it, all in high spirits. To my surprise, rusty kettle is being viewed more than the colorful vase. Coming back to the flowers, using violet of creamy consistency, mark one more layer of petals. Using the rigger brush, draw the stems of the flowers and other foliage. I used white gouache to show some of the lost highlights. And it was time to call it done. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you found this demo useful. Give it a like and remember to subscribe. I'll see you soon.